A relative clause is a clause that follows a noun to tell us more about it, like the film that you saw, the house that you bought. In English, we can often miss out that and just say the film you saw, the house you bought. But in Gaelic, we need the relative particle a. An film a chonnachu, an thai a cheannachu. And in the future tense, after a, we usually have to use the us form of the verb. Gach fuaim a chwainjas thu. Every noise that you hear. Sometimes though, the relative clause has a preposition, and in that case, we need to use the dependent form of the verb, similar to the question. So not ha, but a vil, not va, but an ra. For example, an dunne rishin rau a briin, the person to whom you were speaking. An dunne rishin rau a briin. Or, an chulvach ik vil 3 con, the family that has 3 dogs. Or, using another verb, the verb to go, an balle ganjiachu, the town you went to. Chayu, you went, but an balle ganjiachu.